So is my house a reno or is it a build? You know, I'm gonna make this video about that. I had a couple people calling me out and saying, hey man, you're clickbaiting. You're just doing a renovation. And it would never cost that much to do a new build versus what you're doing. And I'm gonna break some stuff down for you guys to show you the difference between doing a new build and doing what I'm doing. Because we had a option of where to build. There's two lots, the one that we are on with the house, and then there's a empty lot. And when we first originally had a contractor come and we showed him the new lot, he kind of put some prices down, and then we went to the house where we rebuilt. I guess that's going to be the technical term. And we said, hey, we want to renovate this house. And he had a look at everything, and he said, well, this is not a renovation. You know, you want to build a new house on here, okay? So we got basically a quote for building a new home, because 90% of the walls went. Okay, they got torn down. 100% of new plumbing, 100% new electrical, 100% new windows, 100% new roof. We built a septic tank. We built a water well. What else? 100% new flooring. 80% new foundation, because we raised the foundation about 14 inches on about 80% of the new house. And you know, at the end of the day, it's basically a matter of cost. Basically, how much materials did we use and how much labor did we use. And you know, just think of our place as in, it was a house and then a bomb fell on it. There's a few walls standing still, and then there was a bunch that were demolished, right? There was a big hole in the ground. There was no electrical, no plumbing, no nothing. Everything was destroyed. Then we had to repair all that. We had to rip all that up. And then we had to put everything new. And if you ever done a rebuild, if you ever done something like that, you at the end notice that it costs you actually less to build a brand new house. Okay? Because you're not dealing with some problems like walls and things that you have to remove. And even the 5 walls that we kept in a house were all reinforced, were all raised by 50 to 80%. So at the end, those walls ended up being 5 foot tall. And then we added another 5 feet to them. Some of them 6 feet, some 7. So, you know, if you guys are, not that you guys are wrong by saying, hey, you know, it's a renovation, not a new build. Well, let me tell you, the contractor that we're dealing with definitely said it's a new build, okay? Now, I never actually put in my titles that it's a new build, but I do say build, because this is a build. And the amount of hollow block, the amount of sand, the amount of gravel that we've used, the amount of labor, for that material that we use, you guys could have very easily built a house, okay? Like I said, it took us longer because we had to actually tear stuff down. We had to take things apart. You know, a bunch of walls that we weren't using anymore. A bunch of windows, doors, everything had to be. What's up, boys? What's up? Crazy kids. And yeah, by the way, I'm going for a walk over here. I try to do this walk 5 to 6 times a week. It's 6.75 kilometers, so almost 7 kilometers that I do. It takes me about an hour and 8 minutes. I'm trying to get that time down every single time. but it's a nice walk. It's right through the province over here, right through the jungle. You know, I'm not by the sea. I wish I could hear the ocean right now, but you know, I don't get to hear it. But I do get to walk through the jungle, which is really cool. But anyways, getting back to the house. You know, so when I do a title, usually what I do is I ask ChatGPT for the title. They're the ones who provide it. They kind of know my whole story. And then my good friend ChatGPT just throws out a title for me, and then I choose one of 5. But, you know, if you guys think that I'm clickbaiting by saying that it's a, you know, a build, but I'm not clickbaiting, guys. It's really a build. Maybe it's a rebuild, not a new build, you know, but it's much more than a renovation. When you're renovating, you might, you know, replace your roof, change a wall or two, change some windows, change a couple doors, you know, but not 100% of the doors, not 100% of the windows, not 100% of the roof, not a new septic tank, new water well, you know, new, everything new. So like I said, with the amount of materials that we used for this house, like I said, you guys can very easily build a house. And especially what we spent on labor, how much time it has taken. Very, very feasible to do the same thing. So when you guys want to look at some numbers that we kind of did, and maybe I'll do another video on how much we have spent for everything, just so you guys can kind of know. But yeah, at the end of the day, guys, it's not that anyone's wrong. If you call it a new house, new build, you're not wrong. If you're gonna call it renovation, you're not wrong, you know. But it's much more than just a renovation, you know. I guess the technical term would be a rebuild, you know. But you know, we like it. We're almost done. One more week maybe before we move in. The windows just got installed yesterday. Windows and doors. And I made a mistake about that. I'm gonna make a video showing you guys the mistake that I made. It's a costly mistake. All right. But stay tuned for that video. All right. And you know, thanks for joining. Thanks for commenting. You know, I'm definitely not arguing with you guys, whoever said saying, hey, it's not a house build, but you guys have to understand that it's much more than just a renovation. It's much, much more than just a reno. You know, at the end of the day, like I said, it's really about the amount of materials and the amount of labor. Could you build a house for that material and that labor? And the answer is yes, because 90% of the house is new, you guys, 90%. All right, but I'm gonna keep walking. I'm gonna push through. It's one of those days that it's not fully sunny, which is very, very, very odd over here. We've had 65 days with only 1 day of rain. Like that, it's clear blue skies. Now, sometimes when you're walking, it's actually a little bit better to not have the sun blasting, right? But it's the end of the day. It's about 5:15. I try to do this walk kind of right about now, right after it, you know, starts cooling down. Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments, you guys, what you guys think. You guys think this was a renovation or this is a build? You know, I'd like to hear from you guys. I think it's a rebuild, I guess, you know. It's not a brand new house, but it's definitely not, you know, a renovation. It's definitely much more than that. But let me know what you guys think. But anyways, thanks for tuning in, you guys. Next video coming up very shortly. All right, and peace out.